Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can bind a Bambu Lab A1 Mini using Bambu Studio. So basically, in order to do this, first things first, you want to click on the login or register option, and basically inside you just want to log in your account. From there you want to click on synchronize, and then let's head over to the device option. Now basically, in order to do this, we just have to make sure that our Wi-Fi on our device and the Wi-Fi or the connection that we use on our printer is connected to the same network. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your printer screen, click on the Wi-Fi or the settings. We have the wireless local area network. Click on this option right here. And then you can just make sure that you have selected your Wi-Fi, enter your IP and your MAC right here. From there, head back to the settings and you will be able to see this account option. Just click on it, log in the same account that you used for your Bambu slicer, and then there will be this pin code. Just go ahead and remember this pin code, head back over to Bambu Studio, click on the drop down menu, and you will be able to see your printer right away. Just make sure that they are connected with the same connection or Wi-Fi. From there, click on the bind with pin code. Type your pin code right here, but once again, you just have to make sure that you are logged in, and basically from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.